Come in.
My princess.
Amara, I'm pregnant.
My princess, come again.
Are you deaf?
Of course I am not deaf. But wait. You're pregnant?
Yes.
Hey. How did you find out?
I had a feeling. I had not seen my monthly flow. So I just took the strip in my handbag and I checked it and it came out positive.
Hey. It came out positive.
Why are you repeating everything I say?
Princess, I am confused. Who is responsible?
What sort of nonsense and stupid rhetorical question is that? Who have I been dating?
My princess, you've been dating Wokocha Obinna. Okay, what do you intend on doing now?
Tell him, of course. Yes, I'm a princess and I cannot have a child outside wedlock. He has to get married to me.
What if he says he's not ready for marriage?
He has no choice.
My princess, what if the queen, your mother, disagrees?
She has no choice either. I call the shots. Who is it? Say what you have to say and leave that place.
My princess, your Obina is there to see you.
Tell him I'll be right there in a sec.
Okay, my princess.
My princess, do you want to tell him now?
Why not? This is perfect timing.
Okay. Are you really going to do this?
Can you not just jinx this for me? Oh, please excuse me.
My love, what is it? Why is your face like this?
Nothing.
You can't say nothing. You don't look good.
I haven't eaten for the past 2 days.
Why haven't you eaten? I know there's a lot of food in this palace. Why?
I haven't been able to keep anything down. Each time I eat anything, I throw it right out.
Oh. My baby's sick. Are you sick or something? Have you told the queen or should I go tell her myself?
Why don't you tell the queen that I am pregnant for you?
What?
Yes.
Chelugodi? Idime?
Yes.
How?
What do you mean, ow? What sort of silly question is that? When we've been having sex under the king's roof, all the while.
Uzuku. Hey. Hey. Okay, my princess. What are we going to do now?
What do you mean, what are we going to do? I am a princess. You do not expect me to give birth in the palace without a husband. That would be shameful.
Okay, are you kind of saying we get married?
You know what? I'll just go right in there and tell the king and the queen that I'm pregnant for you.
My queen,
I don't understand you.
what do you not understand?
What do you mean by you getting married to the princess very soon? What's that? I don't.
She's pregnant for me.
Come again.
I said the princess is pregnant for me.
How?
What is how? We're dating now, are we not?
What do you mean the princess is pregnant for you? When you already have a wife that is pregnant for
A
you.
girlfriend.
Who is pregnant for you?
I didn't plan to marry her, and I'm not planning.
It is here, man.
I've just told you now.
Now you're a very terrible person. Eh? You better tell that princess that you have a girlfriend that's pregnant to you. Tell her before it's too late.
I'm not
Tell her
going
the
to do
truth.
that. I'm not going to do that.
You're not going to do what?
Yes, because I'm going to marry the princess. And she's pregnant for me, like I told you.
Bro, what is wrong with you? Look, how do you expect to trash out a relationship that you've been into for a very long time?
Excuse me.
Just for the one you just started about 3 months ago. No, now, don't man, huh?
Wicked fellow! Onyala efulefu! Idiot! Wicked man! That is what you are. That is what you are. Just pray that nothing happens to my friend Chinwe. Yana, go and soak your rosary inside the water. Because if anything happens to her, I will come with full force. I will deal with you. What nonsense! How dare you!
Is Chinwe okay? Is she alright?
This your stupid so-called friend pushed my friend Chinwe in the middle of argument.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Before you knew it, she fell and her water broke.
What?
Yes, sir. And he left my girlfriend there to die. Very wicked idiot. Animal. Just imagine if I hadn't come to that place at that moment. She would have just died.
Huh?
Eh?
Obinna,
You're a wicked man. I have never seen a heartless and wicked idiot like you before.
It is here, man.
Oh, don't fear me! Oh, don't fear me!
It is here, man. How can you of all people? Why now? Eh? It is here, man. Obinna,
Anyway.
why will you now push a pregnant woman on the floor?
I'm telling you!
What if she have complications?
You have
Eh?
a human being. I have never seen.
The thing is that it just happened.
It just happened.
You understand?
In an
I
agriculture.
didn't even know that it will get to that point. That is the truth. Yes.
Just be praying. Be praying that nothing happens to her. Yana kuwa bo tujiri ya wogi si baba. Wogi si. Pupugi nonsense ajigiri ishi. Ki you sense because you don't have sense.
Mba, don't do that.
Nwa mo toro go man onwe uche. Onwe common sense. Common thinking faculty nwero. You are pushing a pregnant woman down. How dare you?
But if Fama, where is Chinwe now? Where is she?
She's at the health center hospital.
Oh, health center.
I took her there, so the doctor said she'll be put to bed any moment from now. So I went to the house to pick up her things that she'll be needing. Wicked man. Efu. Wicked soul.
Just take me to the health center. Eh?
I feel like killing you. Onyala.
Commit murder.
I will commit murder.
It is sequel, man.
How to say, man?
Commit murder, yeah.
Onyala.
Just take me to her.
Efu.
Obinna, are you not coming with us?
Pray.
Maybe we go, they come later. It is here, man.
Nothing happens to my friend because I will kill you.
Leave him.
It's your...
So talk is here, man. Obinna, it is here, man.
Can you imagine?
Everybody will get your voice over.
What brings the eyes of the gods to the royal palace of King Oyema?
I have come to see the king. Bring him to me or take me to him.
I'll bring the king for the eyes of the gods.
Very well then.
Here is the king for the eyes of the gods.
Long live the king of Umani Kingdom.
Ufufe, why did you keep your king waiting? Your journey took you so long. You've kept the king of Philmond in great suspense.
It is obvious that the king surrounded himself with men of lies and deceit. The gods gave the answers days ago, and Ifufe waited for the king to summon him, but no one came. So, I decided to come and give you the message personally, because it seems that the king is reluctant over the affairs of the palace.
Ufufe, I am confused. Do you have any message for me?
The princess of Philmond Kingdom is still missing. Search for her or remain blind forever. Okay, Ifufe, I beg to take my leave. Ifufe, Ifufe.
Could you be this careless? How could you allow yourself get pregnant by that boy?
First off, he's not that boy. He's the man I love. I know it was wrong for me to get pregnant right now, but, you know...
No. I think he's good. I just remembered something.
What did you remember?
You know, the king has no male child. So any man that marries the princess automatically becomes the king.
Wow, mother. You mean if I marry Obina right now, he'll be the next king, and it will remain that way in the future?
Yes.
Yes.
Just leave that to me. I will talk with the king and make sure that Obina marries you.
I trust you, mother.
We will rule this kingdom.
And that's on period. Thank you, mother. So I'll be the next queen after my mother. I can't wait.
My king, there is something I would like to discuss with you.
What is it?
I know you will feel that Chinwe is close to me more than she is to you now. That is right, isn't it?
It is.
She has been confiding in me a lot these days. And she told me something that I need to discuss with you. I think you have a right to know about it.
I'm all ears.
She has been seeing a young man this past few months, Obina. And
I heard.
And she is pregnant for him.
Oh, I'm happy for them.
Well, my king, you know we don't have an heir. And this young man has shown his interest. He said he wants to marry our princess. And I think he will make a good king.
Over my dead body, will I give out a stranger's daughter in marriage?
I don't get you, my king.
The princess of Philmond is missing. This is the exact word of the Ezedibi of our land. The girl in the palace is not my daughter. So I want her to leave the palace now.
My king, you met with Ezedibia.
I am done with this discussion. Uza! Uza!
Yes, my king.
Come on, take me away from here.
My king.
It can only take time, take time. 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 Akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa.
Hey! He met with Ezedibia today. God, this is not good.
For how long will you hold this?
My queen, what brings you to my house?
You and your fellow elders were supposed to make sure that King Onyema does not see or hear anything from Ufufe. But you failed me.
I don't think I understand what you mean.
The king has found out that which I was hiding. Now, I have another task for you. Fail me on this one and kiss your advisory role to the king goodbye.
What do you want us to do? What exactly?
The princess is pregnant, and I am sure she's going to give birth to a male child. Convince the king to give out her hand in marriage. He wants to kick her out of the palace. But you have 7 days to make sure he changes his mind.
Well, as you wish. I will have meeting with the elders. We deliberate on it.
7 days. Fail me and see your doom.
What have I gotten myself into? What is this problem? Eh? Every day, no, every day this, every day that. Eh? Well, I will summon the elders for a meeting. Whatever we decide, we'll do. Can't kill myself.
It can only take time, take time. Akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa.
Your Highness.
Sit. I asked my daughter to invite you here today because I want to clear some things with you. But before then, I would like to ask you a question.
I'm all ears, my queen.
Do you love the princess enough to marry her?
Oh, yes. I love her.
So angry that my daughter had to fall in love with a nobody like you. But then do I have a choice?
My queen, I will do anything to keep her.
Obinna, in this land, if the king has no male child, the husband to the princess will become the king of this land. And when I say king of this land, it means him leaving everything and his land behind to come and belong to this land. Do you think you can do that?
Here comes the most wicked man, the most heartless human being I have ever seen on this earth. Obinna, your girlfriend put to bed yesterday, and you are nowhere to be found near the hospital.
What am I going to the hospital to do? What am I doing there?
Are you being serious right now?
Very serious.
Obinna. No, are you being serious right now? Obinna. So you didn't want to come and see your own son, your own child. Obinna. And I'm talking Obinna. Obiakpo. Yeah, this Obiakpo is real.
Sorry, see, I'm not in for this, okay? I have some serious things to do before I got interrupted, okay? Please.
You are not going anywhere, Obinna. Yana, before you leave, Obinna, your girlfriend, they will discharge her from the hospital tomorrow. Yes, so. And I borrowed 50,000 naira to pay for her hospital bills. Before you will get out of this place, Obinna, you will give me that 50,000 naira.
How is that my business?
You will give me that money, whether you like it or not. It is your business.
Did I ask you to go
She's your girlfriend.
Money? Did I ask you to go borrow money?
Eh?
Yeah? So it's your cross to borrow money.
It's my cross, it's not your cross.
It's your cross, you have to carry it.
Obinna.
Please excuse me.
You don't even know who you are dealing with. It's not only you're dealing with, Obinna. You don't even know me. I will embarrass you. I will disgrace you in this village if you don't give me that money. You don't even know anything. I
go wound you.
You go wound who?
I go wound you.
I believe say they fear you.
You know I've been targeting you.
Don't target you
I've been targeting you.
I've been targeting you a very long time. Biagafe, no can forget. Go and really come. Pay me my money. I go. You go do it. Obinna, you will give me. You will. I say you're not going anywhere. You will give me that money, Obinna. You will pay me that money today.
I wound you.
You will not do anything. Obinna! Obinna, you lift me up! Obinna! Anywhere I see you in this village, Obinna, I will disgrace you. I will rubbish your image. Hey! Chineke, what has my friend done? Hey! 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 Chimo, my friend, don't jam rubbish. Hey!
My elders, the last time I checked, I did not go for this meeting today.
Igwe, you didn't, but I did.
Why, if I may ask?
Igwe, report has it that our princess is pregnant for a young man from Umoma.
And he should have also told you that I rejected the child in her womb as my grandchild. I cannot give out her hand in marriage. She is not my daughter.
Says Uigwe.
Says the eye of the gods. He also told me so many things, but they are not part of this discussion. So let us dwell on the topic we are here for. I would not give out her hand in marriage. She is not my daughter. I repeat.
Why, my king, if I may ask? Her story matches that of our princess. Maybe the eye of the gods is lying to you.
My king, he might be deceiving you.
I am proud of him. Let him deceive me.
My king, we are your elders, the cabinets of this great kingdom. We cannot deceive you. The princess is your daughter. You should give her hand in marriage to that man who impregnated her before it is too late. The
moment I give her hands in marriage or accept her husband and the child, they will be the heir of this throne. And I don't want that. It cannot happen while I'm still alive. It cannot happen. The gods of my ancestors will be angry.
Igwe, let me tell you the truth.
You shouldn't believe all that eye of the god tells you.
The gods, even their servants sometimes can make mistakes.
Although I forbid you, do not speak ill of the gods of my ancestors. Not even their servant. If you utter one more word I will lay my hands on this crown and lay a curse on you.
But, my king, even while I was open, I told, check now, I told you the truth.
I think this is the end of this meeting. It's okay.
I think we should expose everything to the king. Put an end to this game. Huh?
I agree with you. Because I don't think the king will fall into this plot.
Are you people okay?
We are okay.
You are giving up without a fight. Well, if we cannot convince the king to marry off the princess, I think the queen will see to it that take away all we have been enjoying in this kingdom. Let me bring this to your notice. Do you know, or do you know what you stand to gain, or what we are gaining as the king's trusted men? Think the respect. Think the power. Think the money. Eh? Reason all these things. Or do you want to lose all this?
I mean, I don't want to lose them all.
True.
Neither am I.
And I can't lose mine either. Then, let us do what we're supposed to do. Let us do what the queen wants. Mm-hmm. Even if it means threatening the king with something, we will do it.
That is the king?
Well, I suggest in our next meeting, we engage strategies to bring down all these tragedies that is about to befall on us. Good. After all, Igwada Afuzo. You can convince him. Is he seeing?
God is watching. He sees everything.
Let's go.
You're running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant.
What is going on? Whom do I trust? I don't know. Who means well for the throne and who does not? Who is the liar? The eyes of the gods or the elders?
I have seen I have seen you have no woman's sympathy.
My king, you have been in here since your meeting with the elders. Is everything okay?
Has that maiden left my palace?
Who? Your daughter?
She is not my daughter!
Mother. What did he say?
Nothing positive. He's still insisting you leave the palace.
I can't leave this place. I belong here.
You're not going anywhere, my dear. Let's just hope the elders will be able to convince him. If he gives out your hand in marriage as his daughter, case closed. You just take over.
I sincerely hope those elders succeed.
They dare not disappoint me. They know better not to. I want to take water from the kitchen.
That's fine, Mom.
Are you coming with me?
No, Mother. I don't do kitchens.
It's got only
What are my bags doing outside?
Just find your way.
Obina, what's going on here?
Want to know?
What's the meaning of this?
The meaning is that it's the end of the relationship. Huh. You can take your baby and go to wherever you want to go to. I am done. Yes.
Obina.
I am done.
I don't understand Obina. Her child. Is this not your child, Obina? What are you saying?
Hey. Ekutos. Sako. Mazakwin. I did not invite you into this conversation.
Obina, what have I done to you? I need to understand, how on earth have I offended you? You pushed me down that cost my early labor. I know the magnitude of pains I went through having this child. But to the glory of God, my baby came out unscratched. Obina, we're in hospital for months. You did not bother to see me. You did not bother to see your child. Not even a cup of water from you to us. Thank God for Obom and Ifoma that came and paid the hospital bill. Now we are back. You did not even contribute a dime to the hospital bills. Now we are back. Instead of you to go on your knees and apologize for all the traumas and pains you've caused me, you are throwing me out. You're throwing your child out. You did not even bother to see the face of this adorable baby of yours. Did I wrong you? What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? I never knew I've been loving a monster, a heartless monster all these years.
Now that you know, thank you for calling me a monster. If you're done staying, you can go to wherever you want to go to.
Hey! Obina, you're a wicked man.
Stop.
You are a wicked man.
Obina, it is a man. Obina, it is a man. Obina, come back here. Obi!
Please, don't even do this. Please, I beg you. Biko.
Obina, open this door. Come open this door, Obina. Obina!
Biko, please, I beg you. Don't do this. I beg you in the name of God.
Okay? It's okay?
What have I don't like this thing you're doing. You want me to tell you this?
Why is he rejecting me and my baby? Why is he rejecting me and my baby? Why is he rejecting me and my baby? What am I going to do now? Where do I go to? What have I done to Obina? Why is he treating me like this?
You have not done anything wrong, Chinwe. Obina is just an ungrateful man. You've not done anything wrong.
Obom,
Hey.
did you see him? What did he say? Did he give you the key?
Chinwe, I don't know what to tell you. But if I would advise you, Chinwe, just move on with your life and forget about Obina.
How do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you saying? Why are you saying that? How? Why? Why did you say that?
Obina is not coming back to you. He's long gone. Just forget about him.
I don't understand. How can he not come back to me? We have a child together.
Let me go and beg him. I can kneel down and beg him. I don't want to lose him.
Chinwe, just listen to me, okay? Your life will be more better without Obina being in it. Just move on. Forget about him.
Obum, I don't like when people give me false hope. How can my life be much better without a roof over my head? Where am I going to stay with my child?
You have shelter. My house is always open for you. Bikono, come and stay with me.
Chinwe, listen, okay?
I cannot give you the details now. It will hurt you. Okay, the details will hurt you. Ogaba will go be. I can't give you the details. Huh? Listen, I know it's not right for me to say this, but you can still move into my house with the baby. I'll take care of you. Okay, you can stay as much as you want to. Obina is gone. He's not coming back again.
Can you tell me why? Eh?
I can't give you the details, okay? It will hurt you. Ogaba will go be. It's something I can tell you.
Obum, come and pack this bag. Let's go to my house. Just forget about it, please. Come and carry this bag for us, please.
I'll carry it.
Biko, be a kai will be my house. Biko. Very wicked man. I've never seen a wicked man like Obina in my life. Very self-centered man.
Just calm down, okay? Let's go to my house.
Don't worry, it's fine. Let's go to my house. You carry the bag to my house.
Hey!
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Oh, one winter. Okay, me have Nanya.
Wait, princess. What do you think is going to happen if the king ends up sending you out of this palace? I don't want to think about it. I can't leave this place. I belong here. Yes, so you belong here. Hey, because I'm not going anywhere. You belong here. So how fast is Obina coming? Coming for what? For the marriage preparation. Well, he's very ready. We're just waiting for the king's approval. Hey, I need pause on my princess. You're waiting for the king's approval when he wants to send you out of this palace. How possible is that? You know what? I am mentally stressed right now. And I don't need this kind of negative energy around me. Can you just please leave me alone? Princess, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. But then again, I pray everything works out though. I pray it works out. My mom has sent his king's men to talk to the king. Let's just hope he changes his mind. Hey, my goodness, everything is just at stake here. I said you're stressing me out mentally. I don't need this negative energy. Leave me the hell alone. Leave. I'm sorry, my princess. But then again, I can't go from being a friend of a princess to being a... To what? To being a friend to a commoner? Is that what you were trying to say? I did not say it to a pupomia. I didn't say anything like that. Whatever, leave me alone. Now, leave.
Chinwe, what are you doing?
Preparing my market now.
Chinwe, you need to rest. You need to rest.
How can I rest, Ifoma? You know my condition. You know my situation. Okwobina have abandoned my baby and I. How am I going to buy baby's food, buy diaper, buy other things if I don't go to sell market and make money?
I will provide all of that.
You will not just provide all of that. You will pay my price for me on the cross of Calvary. You will die again for me as Jesus Christ. Name. You have tried too much for me.
Chinwe, I am not complaining.
I know you're not. I know you're not. But someday you might complain. Let's even assume you never got to complain. What if you get married to your fiancé now? Will I carry my child to follow you to his house?
So your point is?
My point is that I need to work. I know it's barely a week since I gave birth to my baby, but I need to work. I need to go and sell these things so I can make money. You cannot kill yourself for me. Biko,
where is your baby?
My baby is sleeping inside. So if my baby wakes up and starts crying, Biko, give my baby breast. That one on your chest is not for fancy.
No problem, no problem.
I will not be.
Because I know that you're not going to change your mind no matter what I say.
No, I will not.
Thank you. Because there's nothing I will say now that will make you change your mind.
I'm telling you the truth, so I will not change my mind.
Where is suffering? At an end, I am humble but love I've made me a fool.
God will punish Obinna. Chineke na ya akpọ ya ọkụ.
Why are the elders of Umwani Kingdom standing before the ancient throne of our fathers?
My king, you are wearing the usual hats in here whenever there's a special occasion.
The cap of the kingmakers?
It is. I think it is. No noble is holding the staff of the king.
My elders, is everything okay?
My king, I think this is very serious. The looks on your faces is not good at all.
Amelie was okay?
I'll be outside, my king. Okay?
Why have you decided to come to me with the staff of the kingmakers?
Because we are here not as the trusted subjects of the king. We are here as the kingmakers.
If I may think, the staff of the kingmakers usually surface anytime the elders want to make important decisions, or whenever they want to dethrone an evil king. If I may ask, which of them are you here for? Are you here to dethrone me?
Both. We are here to make decision against the king. But if he insists on standing on the ways of a decision, we have no other option than to destroy him. You were picked by the gods, but crowned by us. We have every right to destroy you.
Why are you doing all this?
We want you to give us the princess's hand out in marriage.
And the husband will be the next king of this kingdom.
That is the tradition.
She is not the real princess. And from the look of that young man, he lacks wisdom and cannot rule this kingdom.
Allow us to worry about that.
Okay. If you say so, there's nothing I can do. I have nothing to lose. The gods of our land knows that I'm only doing all this to protect our land. After my reign as a king, I will join my ancestors. But let me do my best. If you insist, whatever comes out of it, you will bear the consequences with your unborn children.
My king, are you still standing against the decision?
You can go ahead. Also,
My king,
take me away from here.
What you just did is in every way wrong.
Truly, the peace of this land is at stake.
that young man lacks wisdom, according to what the king said. The king knows everything. If he emerges as our king, we are all doomed.
Enough. Let's stop wallowing in regrets. Of course, the deed has already been done. Remember, we had no choice.
What bothers my husband?
I pray the gods will take my life before this calamity unfolds.
What calamity?
The calamity of having a selfish, greedy, and unwise king.
Are you talking about the young man that wants to marry our princess?
Yes.
My king, you are not supposed to say that. We should be happy that he has agreed to leave his own land and come to our land and become the king. And even more, agreed to marry our princess. And I know that Obina will make a good king.
Kings are born. They are not made.
Whether born or made, they are all kings. Anyway, thank you for agreeing to give her the princess's hand in marriage. She is so happy. See, after the introduction, in 4 days, the marriage proper will take place. She's so happy.
I have no business with whatever they're doing there. I will only be there to give my blessings.
I can't hold my tears anymore.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty, for making this come through.
Don't thank me. I did it for my princess, not you.
Thank you, my queen.
You are welcome. So now that the king has agreed to give his blessings, Obina, you have to speed up things. Yes. After the introductions next week, the marriage proper will happen in 2 days. So get your people ready.
In 2 days? Your Majesty, I think 2 days is too short for me to get prepared. Please, I beg and I suggest you give me little time so I can save up some money to be able to pay for the bridal rite. Please.
You see why I hate poor people? I hate poor people. Oh, you want me to give you time so that you will save up money to come and marry my princess? How long do you want me to give you? 1 year? 2 years? 3 years or 5 years? Let me tell you, Obinna, even if I give you 5 years, you will not be able to save up enough money to come and marry the princess of Philmond.
Mother!
Shut up! Listen, Obinna, I will give you 3 million naira so that you will use it to buy the necessary things you need to buy. If you have change, keep it for yourself. But get ready with your people. All right?
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Oh, this is good.
Now, you have to treat my daughter, I mean the princess, like the queen that she is. If not, with a blink of an eye, you will vanish.
I love. Forget about what the Queen Mother said. I don't think she means half of what she just said. Okay? Sorry. What would you like to drink?
Informer!
Look who we have here.
Yes, sir.
Abu, sorry, remember us today.
Don't be angry, I've always remember you people.
Your presence matters a lot. How would you say that?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
What of Chinwe? Is she in the house?
No, she's not around. She went to the market.
Oh, the market?
Yes.
That's nice. I guess she went to buy foodstuff.
I wish. She went to sell plantain.
She went to sell plantain?
Yes, so.
She now hawks plantain.
My dear, I've been trying to stop her, but she refused to listen to me. I don't know what to do.
So this is not even her first time?
It's not though. I've been trying everything in my power to stop her, but she refused. There's nothing I can do.
Hi, Obinna messed this girl up. Obinna. Look at the thing and you're changing. You don't do more.
There she comes.
Hi.
There she comes.
You remembered us today.
So it is true.
It is true that what happened.
You now hawk on the street.
I now hawk on the street. Was I a teacher before or a lawyer? Is this not what I do for a living?
Chinwe, you're a breastfeeding for crying out loud. You're a nursing mother. You don't need that.
Does being a nursing mother pay my bills? Does being a nursing mother provide food for my baby? Can't you see that I'm left with huge responsibility? I cannot afford to take care of my child if I don't work hard. Hard work pays my bills, not being a nursing mother.
We're talking about a child. What is his name?
Onyemechi.
Onyemechi.
Who knows tomorrow?
Knows tomorrow. Why Onyemechi?
That's the same question I've been asking her, but she said it reminds her of someone. Yeah.
Well, the name Onyemechi is a very nice name. It's a very good name.
Yeah, it is.
Such a cool, my only God.
Alright, I got this food stuff for you.
Hi. Well, you don't have to worry yourself about us now. Eh?
You're my family.
You. God bless you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi.
Lemechi.
How about Obina? Have you heard from him?
Obina? Obina. Obina caught ties with me, since I didn't support him and encourage him to marry a new wife.
Oh, he has already seen someone else.
The truth, I have to tell you this. The woman is extremely rich, sophisticated. She has money.
But as I am like this, or Bastarom, if he likes, let him go and marry Queen Eliza. I don't care. My priority now is to take care of my baby. Never want. See how fine my baby is. That is my priority. Ne, thank you so much, Nna. Let me go and drop this thing, wash my hands, and come and carry my baby.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome. Hey, you need to wash your hands.
Before have you guys been coping?
It's just God, though.
Buying baby foods and pampers,
Chima, is everything okay?
How long will I continue like this?
Change is the constant thing in life, Chinwe.
I don't see my life changing anytime soon. Makachi, the only hope I had for change was from Obina. Now look at the way he has treated my baby and he has rejected us. I hustle, yet I don't make enough money. I barely make 3,000 naira as profit. After running under sun and under rain. Look at me. Ota can see the bachucha bachu.
Chinwe, you need to take it easy. You are going to win this race. You just need to take it step by step.
Step by step, you said?
Yes.
I have been taking it step by step. What I need now is drastic change, divine turnaround.
Hey. Chinwe, you need to stop crying. Eh? You need to stop crying. See, you're a mother now. And you need to stay strong for your baby in this tough time. Eh? You need to stay strong.
My dear, I'll do my best. You know I love my baby. My baby is all I have. And I'll make sure my baby doesn't suffer the way I'm suffering. I'll do my best. I'll be on my toes to make sure I provide all my baby needs.
That is the spirit.
It's
okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Let's trust God in this, okay?
I've been trusting.
Oh? It's well. I know you must be hungry now. Let me go and prepare something for you to eat.
Okay.
At least to lighten up your face.
Don't worry.
Chinwe, yeah? Where are you going to this morning?
To the market too. I don't want my customers to go and patronize someone else before I come.
Chinwe, did you even sleep? Your baby disturbed you last night that you couldn't even get enough sleep. Now that he's sleeping, you're supposed to be sleeping. Eh?
I wish I can. I have to go and say I still have plantain in that my bag. Let me sell this one so I can come back and carry another one. I need money.
Hey. Okay, fine. At least before you leave now, eat something. You know you're a nursing mother.
Get a nursing mother. My dear, I'm coming because in case my baby wakes up, help me take care of my baby. Oh, I'm coming. God, oh. Hey.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Who is that?
It's me, Obina.
Are you here to see the princess?
Yes, Your Highness.
Obinna. Greediness, foolishness, and desperation is what I see around you. No one with this kind of your qualities has ever ruled Umani and lasted for 2 years. I just hope this your movement will not cost you more than you bargain.
Your Highness, I'm not sure I understand what you're trying to talk about.
Kings are born, not made. Forcing the ground to fit in may be heavier than he should.
Please, can my king make his words clearer to me?
My words are clear for a layman to understand, except if you're forging ignorance or dump.
My king, I shall go see the princess now.
Go ahead.
Chinwe, why are you crying now?
I had a very terrible market experience. It was as if they rang bell and asked everybody not to eat plantain or even patronize me. I was not able to sell.
Is that why you're crying?
Why wouldn't I cry? How am I going to take care of my son? Buy baby's food, pampers and everything. How? I am tired. I am tired of this suffering. I am tired. I cannot continue like this. 13 years of my life have been suffering. I can't.
It's okay. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine.
Okay?
Usuko. Okay?
I have to go back home.
Go back home? You're an orphan. You don't have a home. Which home are you talking about? You're an orphan now,
I need to go back home.
Chinwe, you are confusing me. Which home are you talking about? You're an orphan, you don't have a home?
You will not understand, but at the right time you will. I think I should just pack and leave tomorrow morning. Are you coming with me?
Do I have a choice? At least let me go and see this home you're talking about.
I pray I'm accepted.
Is this life that I'm living? Life of pain, suffering and smiling. I know who I am. I'm a very
Chinwe, be fast oh, let's go.
Surely to support. All I need is your help.
Let's go. I hope your father's place is not far. Let's go. Okay, no problem. Let's go now. Chinwe, what's that bead in your hand?
It's bead now.
Yes.
It's bead now. You are seeing bead. You are asking me what is bead. Please bring back. Lock your gate.
And sure, definitely I will. I hope this home of yours is not far.
I can't hold my tears anymore.
elders of Umoma, you are all welcome. My good people of Umwane, I believe we've had their reason for coming here. There's a flower in my house. I would want to know if that flower knows their son. So we will call her to tell us before accepting anything from them.
Igwe, you are correct.
My point. I think I'm right.
You are correct.
My point. Please get rid of this.
Okay. Hi. Oh my God.
That is okay, yeah? Hey.
Yeah, who's that?
It's me,
Sorry.
Yes? Who are you? How can I help you?
I want to see the king.
Sorry, please, you can't see the king.
I said that.
You
I
can't
want to see the king. Are you mad?
You said
Are
take
you
it
mad?
easy.
You can't see the king. We have an important person inside. You can't see the king.
You know what are we doing here?
Excuse me, please. You cannot see the king. We have...
Is there something wrong? I said I want to see the king.
And I said you cannot see the
I
king.
said I must see the king.
Please, stay back.
Are you not hearing? She said she wants to see the king.
If there's anybody they see back,
you don't have sense. Somebody said she wants to see the king.
I've said you cannot see the king, oh.
My princess.
Father.
These men came from Umoma. They said their son developed interest in you. And we called you here to hear from you. If you know the young man here called Obina. Hope I'm right. Obina, right?
Yes, my king.
Yes. For us to know if we can go ahead and accept the drinks they came with.
Obina.
Chinwe, what are you doing here? How did you know I'm here? Oh, they've given you information that I'm about to get married. And you're here to scatter my marriage. Oh, man, walk now. It's not possible.
What are you talking about?
Hey, please, just leave here, please.
You should be the one to leave my father's house. Eh? You heard me. Nnam.
Chinwe.
Nnam.
My daughter.
Nnam.
Oh, my Chinwe. Oh, so you are the one. I have not had someone address me as a... Oh, I can see.
What?
Igwe. I can see. Igwe. Oh, what's going on? Dikeh said it. He told me I would regain my sight.
Hey, my king, you can see.
I can see.
Hey!
That's what you realize. The cause are good.
Oh, that's my daughter.
My king, see. My king, you can see.
I missed you.
I missed you too. Where have you been?
Hey.
Nam, it's not new to anyone how badly your wife treated me. Yes, even when you warned her to stop, she continued in your absence. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to run for my life.
So I told you to get me juice and it took you more than 10 minutes to do that.
I'm sorry, my friend.
You're sorry. Sit down your dead mother in the grave. Idiot.
I'm sorry.
Look at her. Come on, kneel down, raise your hand and close your eyes. Come on. Kneel down. Go there, kneel down. Kneel down before I bounce on you. Stupid girl. Cursed child. Fool. Idiot. Fool. Ozunra wumbara na ikwa akwa ya. Rubbish. Look at her. Again, I'm sorry. Sorry, kill you there.
Yes,
what are you doing?
I could have cleaned.
How many times have I told you to stop cleaning in this house? That it is the job of Chinwe. Where is that Chinwe?
My queen, you asked her to make your lunch.
And so? Is she tied to the kitchen? Where is that Chinwe self? Call her for me. What are you doing? You were what? You were what? Eh? You were what? Come and take that mop and start cleaning. I have told you that you will do the cleaning in this house. Listen, let me tell you. You see these maids, they are more valuable than you are in this house. You think you're a princess. You are not a princess, oh. You are not a princess. Look at her. Oh, what am I seeing? Are you crying? Are you crying? No, you've not started crying. You will still cry blood. You idiot. Nonsense. Eh? Is that tears? Are you crying? I don't want to beat you. I don't want to beat you. Come on, clean it. Put enough soap. Go and clean it well. Oh. Princess. Rubbish. And make sure that food does not burn. Oh. I'm hungry. Oh. Stop shaking. Keep your body in one place. Stop shaking. You're shaking my legs. What is it? Hi. See, if this drink pours on my body, you will know the stuff I'm made of. Idiot. Keep your body still.
The king is back.
Did you see him?
His car just drove in.
Listen, you will go up now, shower and wear a clean clothes. If I hear pain from your mouth to your father, if I hear pain, you follow your mother to the grave. Idiot. Stupid girl. Come on, get out.
Are you done? Put a smile on your face. Today is Children's Day. And every child deserves to be happy, okay? Now go out there and have fun with your classmates.
I can't believe you suffered all this in my house. In the house of someone I called my wife.
Yes, I suffered. I went through a lot. At some point, I could not take it anymore. So the day we're having our Children's Day in school, whilst other children were playing, I had to run for my life. I ran off. That was how I kept on going from one family to another, looking for food and shelter, so I can save my life. She would have killed me.
So you passed through all this?
Yes, I did. I did all manner of menial jobs. Yes, house help, I was hawking, I sold plantain, all manner of it. Before I finally met a very good woman that I lived with for 4 years. But after the husband passed away, the kids came to take her to the city. And I was stranded again. And that was when I met Obinna, thinking I've seen a savior, thinking I've seen a God sent. I never knew this monster would treat me worse. Obinna maltreated me. Obinna treated me with so much hate. Got me pregnant and abandoned my child and I. It got to a point I couldn't take it anymore. He threw us out of his house after I gave birth to my baby.
So, young man, you abandoned my daughter? You came here to marry the princess? Now that my daughter is back, where is that girl from?
Wait. Was she pretending to be me?
Yes.
Inokwa. Where did they bring her from?
I don't know. So, now that my daughter is back, where is that girl? Where is she? Where is she from?
My king, I'm sorry. My elders, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. My king, please, I'm sorry. Rita is my daughter. I had her when I was very young. When the king came to ask for my hand in marriage, I hid it from him, thinking that he would not marry me if he finds out that I have a daughter. I was maltreating the princess because I was very angry at what she was enjoying, knowing that my daughter and son were suffering. That was why. I'm so sorry, my king. My king, please.
You are
please
very terrible.
Me. My king, please forgive me.
Don't come close to me. Wicked woman.
I left her with my sister. I had to bring her when I realized that you were still looking for your daughter. So that she will come to the palace and at least enjoy by becoming the princess of Philmond the kingdom. I'm sorry, my highness. I'm sorry. My king, please, forgive me. It was just a desperate mother looking out for the best for her daughter. Bikono, my alone. Please, have mercy. Hey, Bikono, Bikono, my king, forgive me, Bikono. Please. Hey,
hey.
My elders, Bikono, my alone.
Let me understand what is going on here. So I was about to marry a very fake princess.
Will you shut up your mouth, young man? You are not innocent in this case. You are not. So you got my daughter pregnant, you abandoned her, and you are the same person who impregnated the princess.
The fake princess.
Now, I don't know. What kind of a man are you? What kind of a man are you?
Igwe, the truth is that I'm a real man. I didn't even know I was about to marry the very fake princess.
I can explain. There is no point for any explanation. Guards!
That's my king.
Igwe, just one small explanation like this,
Take this young man away.
What's the explanation?
And his drink alongside his elders. Take also this girl. She's pregnant. Take them away. You can't live in this palace.
Igwe, please. Can I, Chim?
That's a lot.
Chim. Can maybe go explain? Just very little.
I said, take them away!
Mr. Obinna, please.
Permit me. Should I come and help you? And lift him outside?
Please, leave the crowd.
Opiapo.
Please.
Opiapo. Hey! wicked soul.
I believe that you are unaware that she was not well.
My king, this is how it is. She threatened us. Mono.
Yes,
it wasn't our fault. She threatened us.
Oh. Yes, she threatened us.
She threatened you?
Yes,
Yes, can you listen to yourselves? She threatened you. Now all of you leave my palace! Leave my palace!
Igwe, we'll talk about it later.
I am so disappointed, all of you. I am disappointed. No. And you, your neck shedding crocodile tears, right?
Oh, it's not crocodile, it's real tears. My king, my heart is broken.
What? Chai, Ego, you have finished me. How did it happen? Hi, please, Ego, beg the king, beg the king. Rita, I have not seen her. Oh, did she follow the young man to his house? Hi, Ego, I warned you concerning this girl, but you wouldn't listen. See, this girl has put us in trouble. Look at me. Don't allow the king to throw you out of his house, please. This is an abomination. Hi, oh God, this Rita has put me to trouble. Hi. Hello. I don't know what is all this. I've been warning Ego concerning this girl. Hey!
Why are you looking at me now? Chinwe, you have a very strong mind and heart.
Why did you say that?
If I were you, I wouldn't have run away from the palace and left everything behind just because of what I was going through.
That's because people are different and act differently.
You're not different. You're strange. To even think that you survived 13 years of suffering like you had nothing. You even go as far as lying to everyone around you. Eh?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Well, your sins are forgiven, no? You know why? Why? I got the opportunity to step my feet into the palace of Umwani Kingdom. Like, I'm so happy. All because of you. Thanks to you.
Sister, and you can even live here with us. This is like your second home.
Hell no. I will not live here, but I will be coming here every day to stalk you.
You're welcome. I'm so happy.
Maybe I'm happier than you. You know, I'm so happy that your son's life is guaranteed. You know, you don't get to suffer anymore. I'm so happy for you. This is what I've been praying for you. This is what I've been telling God to just let it happen. I'm happy.
And I'm excited I got to meet my father again. After so many years.
I know.
Acting like an orphan.
You're so brave.
Ifoma.
Yes.
I want to say thank you. You are a friend everybody needs in their corner. Thank you for all you did for me. I appreciate you a lot. This is your second home. You are always welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for fighting for me. Thank you. I don't know what I would have done all those years without you. You were like a pillar in my life. And I pray that God will bless you. God will reward you for me.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you very much. I love you.
I love you.
In my next word, I will choose you as my friend. Again.
No, not your friend, your sister.
Your
sister. Yes, you better, sister.
Cheers.
Yes, baby. I'm so happy for you.
I'm happy for us.
Yes. Great things ahead.
Yes.
Hey.
Where do you think you're going to?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this rubbish now? What's your business of where I'm going to?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Hey. Let me be.
Meaning?
Let me be.
Meaning? You will not go anywhere until your unborn baby and I have some food. You're not leaving this place.
You better carry that your unborn baby back to your village.
Mm.
As you see me so now, I am going to see the real love of my life. The real princess. As for you, don't let me hit you.
When I was a princess, you did not know that she was the real love of your life. So all of a sudden, you now know she's the real love of your life. Oga, you go nowhere.
When I was, that was then. You're not again. Okay? As you see me so now, I am going to the palace to talk to my princess. I know they will accept me. Yes. I know she will accept me because she's listening. She loves me.
Wake up from your slumber.
Let me be.
Oh, no, you're not going anywhere. You're already married to me.
I'll squeeze you.
Squeeze who?
I'll squeeze you.
And I will squeeze you right back. You think I'm that chimney? I will squeeze you right back. You're not going anywhere. Look at this one. I am not shaking. I will not leave you be. I will not leave you be.
I am going to.
You're not going anywhere.
I am going to see my girl.
Obina, the king of Umani. It is your man.
What's the meaning of that? What is wrong with this one? Will you leave this place? Who is this one? Don't try it.
What is it? See,
What's going on here? No, okay, no, there is no need. I don't need to ask the both of you what is going on right now. On my way coming here, I saw Ifoma. She's coming from Umani. She already told me exactly what is going on. So
I want to go there sleep outside there already.
Exactly. Yes, she told me. So there's no point asking you both what is happening here.
Tell her to leave me alone. I want to go and beg my chinwe. Because I want to go and beg the real princess of Umani.
Oh, you're leaving me alone now? Oh, she's now your chinwe. I pray chinwe sees you and design this your face with hot dirty slap. Because you don't deserve her. Ibu, a very wicked man. Kimali face so that you will understand that it's not all that glitters is good. You're very fat. Our fake princess, Jideshe Nike. Hold him tight! What God has put together, let no man put asunder. Obina, hold him very well. You're a very bad person. Ibu, you're a very, very terrible person.
Why are you insulting me in front of her? Why are you behaving like this?
Negodi, it is here, man. Oh, it is here, man. Listen.
Help a brother now. Why are you talking like
I
this?
cannot come into family matters. It's not my problem. Fake princess, hold him tight. No man can put asunder. Obina, take care of our fake princess. It is here, man. Nenufa. King of this land.
Come and help your friend.
Come on.
You see the kind of useless.
Hey, this man.
Look at him from head to toe. You can see that he's very wretched and poor. He has no destiny, and no destiny. In fact, his destiny is lost a long time ago. See you.
Don't call me name, so.
Who is calling you name?
Don't call me name.
Who is calling you name?
What is it now? What kind
Wherever
of
you go, I go.
Otuakedi.
Yes.
See, no matter you're my spec, I don't mind doing my boy going here. I'll kill you here.
If see, don't let me to exact. You think because I was a princess? What is wrong with you?
Who is a princess?
Me.
I'm going to meet the real princess.
Which real princess?
You're rumpling my
rumpling.
You're rumpling my t-shirt.
What do you even see me as? I'm an accountant for God's sake, and that's on period.
You're what?
Yes, an accountant. Oh, you didn't get your facts right. Oh. Okay.
White blue.
Go, let me see now. Okay. You
What
forgot
is
your
this now?
guitar.
Leave me alone now.
No.
What are you traitors doing in my palace?
Please, my king, let's trash this issue. call for a meeting. Let us talk about this issue.
You all are not worthy of stepping your feet into my palace, let alone going into the throne room for a meeting.
My king, it was not really our fault. We were engulfed by the threat of the queen.
Igwe, the truth is like we've been stealing public funds meant for the development of the village. At your back, Igwe.
You've been doing what?
Igwe, we are sorry. Please forgive us. The queen found out and threatened us with it. Because we were scared of you finding out, so we fell for her threats. Please, Igwe.
You all are supposed to be the most trusted men of the king. Rather, you all ganged up to steal the village funds. And when someone wants to use it against you, you will fall for the cheap threat. Like you lied against the throne and used the staff of the kingmakers against the king.
Your Highness, please, you have every right to be angry. You equally have every right to remove our title. But here we are, pleading with you. Please, we are sorry. We are all admitted our mistakes. We promise it won't happen again.
Now all of you should leave my palace immediately. Leave!
God is watching. He sees everything.
This is what we have been looking for. Oh no, it is all your fault. It is all your fault. You caused all this. Okay?
Stop all this blame. We are all in this game together. It is all our fault. Osikomo is my fault.
Don't you know before?
Didn't you? I hope you collected the money. Give me your own.
No.
I have seen I have seen you have no woman sympathy.
Looks like
you are wicked.
Little of it.
But one day the breeze will blow. Everyone will see the bottom of the fire. Africa Kukana, Seraka Nova, Ikamalawaya, Kofelala Swati, easy, easy, you are running faster than your shadow, beautiful, elegant,
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. My king, please. I have checked it. And I do not deserve. I don't even know how to say I am sorry because I am so ashamed of myself. But I just have to say, please, forgive me. Biko, find a space in your heart and forgive me. Even if it's a little space, please. Biko. Yes.
Do you know the gravity of what you did?
Yes, I know. I know everything I did. I know the gravity of concealing the fact that I have a daughter. Maltreating the princess. Bribing and even threatening the elders. My king, I know, but please, I am sorry for all that. Biko, forgive me, Biko.
Father, please, forgive her.
My princess, I am not even worthy to ask you for forgiveness. Yes. Listen, you can treat me anyhow you want it. You can hate me. Treat me however you want. Biko, please.
The truth is, I have so many reasons to hate you. But I can't hate you. Hate is too much of a burden that I cannot bear. I have forgiven you. I pray we live in peace henceforth.
We will, I promise. I promise we will live in peace. Hey, thank you.
Despite all you did, you still remain the queen of this land. I have forgiven you. But I hope you turn a new leaf this time.
Yes, sir. I have changed.
That's okay. As for your daughter, I don't want to see her in this palace
No,
again.
she will not come here again. I have told her she will not near this palace again. I promise you, I give you my word. She won't. My king, thank you so much. My princess, thank you. My king, God bless you. Thank you, my princess. Hey, God. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. My princess, thank you. Hey, thank you. Hey.
I called you all for this meeting because I want to tell you something.
We are all ears, Your Highness.
After all your pleas, I have decided to forgive you all. I don't know your heart, but the gods do. I hope you've repented as you claimed.
Surely, my king, we have all repented.
I will leave your repentance with the gods. To avoid what happened last, I will ask the princess henceforth to monitor the village funds closely.
If it is what it takes for the king to forgive us, I believe we don't have any problem with that. Or do we?
No, we don't.
We don't have problem with that. In fact, let her do, because we have no intention of stealing from the kingdom again.
I hope so. One more thing. The staff of the kingmakers should be returned tomorrow to Fufe. Whenever the need for it arises, he will make it available to you.
We are okay by the condition, Your Highness.
So, let us rule this kingdom in peace and harmony. Yes, our children, take care of us. Let our land prosper.
Everyone we see the bottom of the fire. Afiko kukanya, Siraka nubo. Bika walawaya, Kofela la suni. Easy, you are running faster than your shadow. Beautiful.
Princess, I greet you, ma. Princess, I greet you, ma. Oh, Auntie, stand here. Let me speak to you.
Oh, I don't have your time.
Stand first.
I do not have your time.
I have
alone.
your time. Say you don't have my time. Why? Why don't you have my time? Pregnant princess. Princess in distress. From full option to 1.5. Let's add half, you know. There's a small baby here now. So we just add half.
Are you done?
From Unyo Dogu to Unyo Odiego.
Are you done?
Do you have something to say?
Are
Let me
you
listen.
done?
Let me listen to you. Oh, Auntie, stand here. I'm not done. You see what greed and bad character cost you. By now, you should have good friends like me by your side. But no. Bad mouth. Chop. Hanging your bag where your hand cannot even reach. You want to be princess. Now see you. Princess, you did not become. Husband, you did not marry. I even heard the so-called man that got you pregnant doesn't even want to see you. Is that true? Voila! I pity you.
Are you done?
I pity you.
Well, you should save the pity for yourself. It's not needed. As it stands, with all your friendship, with all your laughter and everything, you're still at the position you are. I'm still an accountant, remember?
You're an accountant,
So
but why did
trust
you
me with
abandon being an
everything
accountant?
that you have said. I'm still an accountant. I still have a lot going for me. While you should save the pity for yourself because you will need it. As it stands, you're still nowhere. Your destiny is still at one spot. So respect yourself, leave me alone, and mind
You
your
see
business.
mouth? Stand here! I give it to you. You have mouth. You have mouth. What were you
You're running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant, dedicated, but you ain't full. A fool. You ain't full. A fool.
Obina, don't get it twisted. I only allowed you guys inside because of Obum.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Thank you, my princess.
Obumonye Nkem. It's been a long time. Kekwan.
Your Highness, may you live long.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
You again?
Father, he said he wanted to talk to me, so I want you to be here and listen to what he has to say.
What is it you want to say?
Your Highness, Biko, Okujumono, I've come to apologize for the way I treated Chinwe in the past. The way I handled her, the way I treated her, I have come to say I'm sorry, Chi. I'm sorry from my heart. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, I know I messed up. I left her for another woman, which is not right. When I'm a mama, you know, oh, you believe me. Please, forgive me, please. I am sorry.
My princess, Your Highness, please find a place in your heart to forgive him. I cut ties with him for a while now, Your Highness. We've not been in talking terms. He came to my house and apologized and told me to follow him here so he could apologize to the princess. Please, he's a changed man. Just forgive him, please.
Well, the truth is, I hold nothing against you. Yes, I cannot keep grudges against you. At least you're the father of my child. Even before you asked for forgiveness, I'd already forgiven you. It's okay. My only concern right now is how to raise my adorable son. Not all these things. So it's okay, you're forgiven.
Like my daughter just said, our heart is filled with love, not hate. But getting back with my daughter again, don't even dream of it. You don't deserve her.
Thank you, Alex. Can I don't know. I want to ask if I can be coming to the palace often to see my child, to see our son. And I want to ask for one thing, Your Highness, because this thing I want to say is from my heart. If Chi, please, let's go back to the house. Let's do your things. Let's go, okay? I'm ready to take care of you now. I'm a changed man. I'm so sweet now. I'm so sweet. You can enjoy him, okay? Please, let's go home.
You must be hallucinating. You're very delusional to think I'll follow you back to that house after maltreating me the way you did. I said I've forgiven you, and God knows from my heart I have. But going back to that house is a big no for me. Go back to Rita. She needs you now. Yes.
Your Highness,
are you okay? Let me make one thing clear to you. Onyemechi is your son. You have every right to come see him in this house. Do for him what a father can do for his son. But getting back with my daughter, don't ever dream of it. You don't deserve her.
Obinna, please, enough. As your friend will always ask you, okay, Sieme.
Obinna, it is Sieme. It is Sieme.
You abandoned me when I was pregnant with your child. Abandoned me in the hospital. Abandoned me all through my pregnancy. For Rita, because she was claiming to be a princess. Right now she's pregnant and you realize that I'm actually the real princess and you want to run back to me. Okay, Sieme. Please go back to Rita. She needs you. It's not now that you will abandon her. She's the love of your life. You never valued me. You never loved me. You never treated me right.
She have changed.
I don't care. Change for her, not me. I'm done. And Obinna, it's okay. You can leave. Obinna, it's okay. You can leave. I said you can go.
Chin. Hi, what's up? What's up? What's up,
Enough of this drama, just
She said you can go. Your Highness. Take care, my friend.
Abụkwanụgị bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. Abụkwanụgị bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. It can only take time, take time. 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 Akwa mgbochi ekewa. 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 Joy is coming. Akwa mgbochi ekewa. It can only take time. Akwa mgbochi ekewa. Akwa mgbochi ekewa. For how long will you hold this secret? For how long? You are holding the kingdom. Makuku chweko mbala biogwa. Ichoko danyi nolu achomwatiyo. Our kingdom is stand still because of you. Our king is in pain because of you. Ichidanyi nolu. Keep up wadan you go kenyi. Igafisia. Igafisia. Kabo kundimo. Igafisia. Abụkwanụgị bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. Abụkwanụgị bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ bụ Chukwu. Ọ bụrụ gị. It can only take time, take time. 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 Then akwa mgbochi ekewa. 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 Joy is coming. Akwa mgbochi ekewa. It can only take time. Akwa mgbochi ekewa. It can only take time, take time. 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 Akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa, akwambo chekewa. Joy is coming. Akwambo chekewa. It can only take time. Akwambo chekewa. Akwambo chekewa. For how long will you hold this secret? For how long? You are holding the kingdom. Makuku triego mbala biubo. Ichobo danyi nolu achomwanyo. Our kingdom is stand still because of you. Our king is in pain because of you. Ichidanyi nolu. Keep up badanyu go kenyi. Igafisia. Igafisia.